Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a second YouTube channel. Okay, so you can make the second YouTube channel by using the same Google account, or you can use a brand new Google account to make your second YouTube channel. I will show you how you can make a second YouTube channel by using the same Google account, and you can make multiple YouTube channels like 3, 4, 5, 6 by using the same Google account. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get into it. First of all, make sure that you are already signed into your account. This is my main channel. I have also made another channel. To add another YouTube channel, you just have to go to settings, and after that here you can see we have got the option of create a new channel. So just click here. Okay, now you can set a channel name. For example, I will write here as, and I will click on this box and I will click on this create. Okay, so it's done. Here you can see my channel is created and you can simply upload a video. But before uploading your videos, I suggest you to customize your YouTube channel. Like, you have to add the profile picture and the channel banner, so you'll be directed to YouTube Studio, and after that you can properly set your channel from here. Okay, I have already made a video for how to start a YouTube channel and upload like a pro. So if you want to watch that video, then you can just click this I button. For now, if you want to switch back to your old channel, then you can just go to this icon, and from here you have to go to switch account, and after that you can just go back to your old channel again. If you are not getting any views and subscribers, then I have already made a video to promote your YouTube channel for free, in which I have talked about 6 different ways to promote your YouTube channel and increase your views and subscribers. So if you want to watch that video, then you can just click on this I button, or you can also find the links in the description. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.